In the greater scheme of things, probably not the worst thing to do. There goes the hooter at the end of the first half. Fiji in possession, looking to score. Oh, lovely offload, and this should be another one for Yasa Veramalua. Beautifully done.
The sweeper, but the offload is good because the defence is there. It's a lesson in 7's rugby at the moment. Waqatabu! Oh, this is incredible. Apisalome is going to give chase, but well, this is a lesson in the big time.
Done. They want 50. That's the goal here for the Fijians now to score and get that 50. Too wide. Jerry, too wide. No, this is the replacement. It's actually Waqatabu. My apologies. Waqatabu's in the corner. He looks just like Jerry, too wide. But he runs like Api. Waqatabu.
The old grubber pass by the foot. Out we go to Waqatabu. Waqatabu! Has the Fijians first.
Moment they're just not been able to execute.
They go through Waqatabu. Beautiful pass, and now it comes away again to Waqatabu. There is his second in 2 minutes.
Nice little wraparound with Waqatabu and Kolinisau. Kolinisau, the captain there, realised where the gas was, gets it there for time and space.
Donglala straightens. Crucial ankle tap, good enough to get the pass away. Kolinisau over the top, the basketball pass. Over the top to who else? Who else, ladies and gentlemen? Waqatabu has 3 tries. Trying to free up the new man on the park, Waqatabu. They suck every centimetre out of the left-hand side. Here they come. Here comes Ravovo. Back inside. He finds the big fella. Veramalua. Oh, they're going to go the whole way. Fiji. Waqatabu.
Get that fresh glaze on the D-roll. Rolling up, smoking haze for days. We get that fresh glaze on the D-roll.
His innocence, but to no avail. Quickly taken. Quickly over in the corner. Apisalome Waqatabu.
Then he went left, delivered the pass with accuracy, and of course the power play just is in Fiji's favour.
And right off the restart, they're going to go in again, Fiji. They are on fire in the sunshine.
Good offloading. So it's the captain, Kolinisau, going wide early on, and Waqatabu pops a brilliant ball up to his captain.
He can move when he gets through, and he can pop beautifully too. That is lovely work for Lino, but he needs a little help and gets it. The 212s come toe-to-toe. Big tackle on Vareta.
But you're right, Sean, great scrambling defence, desperate defence. Pride in your line, that's what it's all about. Who was that? Waqatabu again?
Yep.
He's all over it.
Oh, he's having some day out.